How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We got a 2013 Audi A6 Prestige 3.0 supercharged V6, 132,000 miles. We just serviced it. Overall, car's in really good shape. Mechanically drives well. So you can see a little bit of damage there on the rear bumper, but pretty minor overall. Definitely a nice little car if you're looking for something luxury, a nice sedan. It's fully loaded. This is the Prestige, so heated seats, cooled seats, has good tires on it. Is missing a tow hook cover there in the front. Check out the interior. So this one has the rear, somebody left that up there. As you can see, you got the rear climate control there. There's a little stain on the rear seat, small tear back there. Overall, it's very clean, has a sunroof. This has, like I said, heated seats, leather seats, nav, Bluetooth, backup camera. We'll go ahead and start her up. 132,433 miles on it. And if this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thank you for checking out our video. And if you have any repair needs, you have an Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche, definitely give us a holler, or other luxury domestic or foreign vehicles.